Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to do true, false and not given. So let's get started. So this is the passage that I have picked up for today's practice. Chocolate, food of the goats. You can pause your video and read the questions properly, and then we can move further. Alright, so the very first thing that we should be doing is reading the questions properly and understanding them very nicely. So here, let's start with our first question. Okay, so the cocoa plant originated in the Gulf of Mexico region. So the question is saying that this plant is originated in the Gulf of Mexico region. Now we'll get the answer in the first 3 lines. Read it. Yeah, so if we'll read it, it is here it's written that it is a small evergreen tree 15 to 25 feet high, which grows in the tropical forest understory, where it is protected by the shade of larger trees. So it means they've clearly mentioned it that it grows in the tropical forest. So our answer would be false. Coming to the next question. The cocoa plant prefers wet weather, and here we'll read it, then we'll find it that the scientific name for the cocoa plant is Theobroma, which means food of the goats, native to Amazon and Orinoco River basins. It requires a humid climate. So, question demand was that cocoa plant prefers wet weather, and here they have mentioned humid climate. So that's why our answer will be, I'm sure you must have guessed it, it's true. Coming to the third question, each flower on the cocoa plant produces 20 pods. So now each flower they're talking about that on the cocoa plant produces 20 pods. Okay, you'll get the answer here. A mature tree may have as many as 6,000 flowers, but will only produce about 20 pods. But here they were saying that each flower on the cocoa plant, but here they're saying they can have as many as 6,000 flowers, but it will only produce about 20 pods. Means the answer is false. Coming to the next one, that is, cocoa drinks were originally made using the pulp from the pod. So they're talking about they were originally made using the pulp from the pod. Here we'll get the answer. Instead, the first cocoa-based drink was probably produced by fermenting the pulp. It's a process in the cocoa pods to yield a bee-like beverage. So drinks were originally made using the pulp from the pod. And here we could get the answer. So it is true. I hope you get it and you've done it correctly. Coming to the last question, that is, in ancient Puerto Escondido, cocoa drinks were served hot. So such things isn't mentioned in the whole passage, and that's why the answer will be not given. I hope this video was beneficial for you. Thank you so much, and Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on everyday basis. Till then, take care.